Hey, ever wanted to make cool YouTube videos without showing your face? Today, I'm breaking down how you can do exactly that using Invideo AI. It's super easy, even if you're brand new to the world of video creation. First, head over to Invideo AI and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click Create New Video. You'll see a prompt box. Just type in your video idea or script. For example, Top 5 Travel Destinations for 2025. Invideo will instantly start generating a faceless video using AI, pulling in stock footage, text, and even voiceovers for you. Super handy, right? Want to tweak it? No problem. You can swap out footage, edit the text, or change the AI voice to match your vibe. Just drag and drop the clips you want, or upload your own media if you've got something specific in mind. Once you're happy with your video, hit export. In just a few minutes, you'll have a fully edited, faceless video ready to upload to YouTube or wherever you want. Honestly, the best part is, you don't need expensive gear or editing skills. Invideo AI takes care of the heavy lifting, so you can focus on your ideas and get your content out there fast. Give it a go and see how easy it is to create awesome faceless videos with AI. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.